Hi, my name is Hanson and I'm from Solar Analytics. Today I'd like to introduce you to some of the more advanced features of the Solar Analytics dashboard. Let's start with the fleet view. Each Solar Analytics reseller will be provided with their own fleet dashboard. This allows you to take a quick overview of all your Solar Analytics systems. When your company purchases Solar Analytics, we will request key contact details and send a login request. Please take the time to read the welcome pack we'll send you. After your company's first 10 devices are installed, we'll co-brand your end user site with your logo for free. When you first log in, you will see an overview page which provides a high-level assessment of the sites within your fleet. The My Site tab allows you to view your sites in detail. It includes a quick view of alerts, faults, and performance issues, and allows you to dive deeper into individual sites and make any required adjustments. Creating sites is simple via the online registration process. Once the end user's details are entered, the exact details of the solar system should be entered. This includes orientation, angle, strings, subarrays, and power ratings. Pay particular attention to accuracy on orientation. You can easily select all commonly used inverters and solar panels from the drop-down menu. Duplication of subarrays allow easy array construction. The Solar Analytics device serial numbers should then be added. And you can then tell our system which each CT is measuring. A CT site map and CT labels are provided with all hardware, so installers can easily record the information for future reference. Make sure you confirm it's operating correctly before leaving the site. Monitoring starts almost immediately. Our 5-second live data allows you to confirm operation and performance in real time during commissioning. The live data tab allows you to view every CT on every circuit at each site. You will see energy, power, voltage, reactive power, power factor, and frequency displayed. Live data is presented in 5-second increments when you log on and 60-second increments for 24-hour periods. This is extremely useful for commissioning and troubleshooting. Voltage reports from our data are particularly useful for checking inverter performance on local networks and can be provided by Solar Analytics on request. Historical data on all channels is available as 5-minute history in various levels of detail. Data is provided in CSV format and over time will be available through automated reports and API formats. A variety of subscription options are provided at the final stage of the registration process. You will need to know before you start the process which subscription option the end user has chosen and select it from the drop-down list. Our system will automatically determine the correct subscription options according to the system size. There are 3 payment methods. Option 1 is our bulk payment option, which allows resellers to commission sites with their preferred subscription, and we invoice resellers at the end of the month. Option 2 is our credit card payment option, which allows resellers to commission sites with their preferred subscription using the company credit card. Option 3 is end users who want to pay directly. In this case, the end user needs to enter their own credit card details and we'll bill them directly. A lot more detail and help can be found on the dedicated reseller support page on our website. If you can't see your question answered there, our 6-person Sydney-based support team is 1 phone call away and ready to help.